Study Hacks workshops are your gateway for academic success here at UNSW. They offer a range of virtual workshops for both new and returning students.
I haven't studied in about 15 years, so having this as a resource really helped me put my best foot forward in terms of being a successful student.
I definitely recommend the workshops to other students, especially first years. Do as many as you can because they're all incredibly helpful, and in the long run they'll save you time. Note-taking, essay writing, referencing, all of those sorts of things.
Academic writing, academic reading, critical thinking, and exam prep.
Like in the past, I wasn't really confident on how to properly use referencing styles and how to properly use in-text citations. But now I became more confident in properly referencing my sources in my assignments, and I'm very happy to have attended these workshops.
The latest workshop that I attended was learning how to use EndNote. What I found exceptionally helpful is that I learned not only how to use EndNote software, but also how to properly back up data and avoid file corruption.
The presenters were incredibly friendly and approachable, always ready to answer any questions. Even if I had more in-depth ones, I could call them or email them later.
The presenters were incredibly knowledgeable, very friendly. They clearly had an enormous amount of knowledge behind them. Clearly they were seasoned academics, and I felt like I was in good hands.
I definitely feel more confident exercising the academic skills after the workshop. They've just made things a lot clearer for me. Even the next day I went in to do some note-taking and I was a lot more relaxed when I approach any assignments.
All the practical tips about how to break down essay writing or academic reading, there were just really obvious approaches that I could apply and use in my day-to-day study life.
I would highly recommend these workshops to other students, and I strongly encourage all students to participate in any relevant workshops.
They were extremely helpful, and I recommend all first year students do them, as many as you can.